Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class, chapter number 2, Latitudes and Longitudes. It's for class 6, part 1. In today's part, I am explaining about difficult words. The difficult words, are they here? So first word is the latitude. First word is there here, latitude. Latitude means akshansha. Latitude means what, student? Akshansha. So next word, longitude. Rekhansha. Rekhansha. So next word, shape. Akara. Bulks. Ubbugalu. Bulks means what? Ubbugalu. Slightly. Swalpa. Slightly means what? Swalpa. Flattened. Flattened. Chappateyada. Chappateyada. Pole. Dhruva. Pole means what, student? Dhruva. So next spelling, diameter. Diameter. Vyasa. Circumference. Circumference. Suttalate. Circumference means what? Suttalate. So next spelling, equilateral. Equatorial. Equatorial. Samabhajaka. Samabhajaka. Next one, rotate. Suttudu. So next one, north. Uttara. Uttara dikku. South. Dakshina dikku. Dakshina dikku. See here, first I am explaining about these all. First spelling, latitude. Latitude means akshansha. Spell it, Latitude. Latitude. Latitude means akshansha. So next spelling, longitude. Longitude means rekhansha. Longitude means rekhansha. Longitude. Longitude. Longitude means rekhansha. Next spelling, shape. Spell it. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. Shape means akara. Shape means what, student? Akara. Next spelling, bulks. B-U-L-G-E-S. Bulks. Bulks means ಉಬ್ಬುಗಳು. Bulks means ಉಬ್ಬುಗಳು. So next spelling, slightly. Slightly means ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So bulks, spell it this. Spell it the bulks first. B-U-L-G-E-S. Bulks. Bulks means ಉಬ್ಬುವುದು. So next spelling, slightly. Spell it. S-L-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Slightly. Slightly means ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Next spelling, flattened. Flattened. ಚಪ್ಪಟೆಯಾದ. Flattened means ಚಪ್ಪಟೆಯಾದ. See here, spell it. F-L-A-T-T-E-N-E-D. Flattened. Flattened means ಚಪ್ಪಟೆಯಾದ. Next spelling, pole. Spell it. P-O-L-E. Pole. Pole means dhruva. Pole means dhruva. So next spelling, diameter. It means vyasa. Diameter means vyasa. Spell it. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Diameter. Diameter means vyasa. Next spelling, circumference. Circumference means ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. Circumference means ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. Spell it. C-I-R C-U-M F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Circumference. Circumference means ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. Next spelling, equatorial. Equatorial means ಸಮಭಾಜಕ. Spell it. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R-I-A-L. Equatorial. Equatorial. Equatorial means ಸಮಭಾಜಕ. So next spelling, rotate. Rotate means ಸುತ್ತುವುದು. Spell it. R-O-T-A-T-E. Rotate. Rotate means ಸುತ್ತುವುದು. Next spelling, north. North means ಉತ್ತರ ದಿಕ್ಕು. Spell it. N-O-R-T-H. North. North means ಉತ್ತರ ದಿಕ್ಕು. So next spelling, south. South means ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ದಿಕ್ಕು. It's a south direction. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ದಿಕ್ಕು. South. Spell it S-O-U-T-H. South. South means Dakshina Dikku. So again, two spellings are there here. Representation. Representation. And locating. Representation means pratinidya. And locating means sthala. Okay, student? Representation means pratinidya. Spell it R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Representation. Representation means pratinidya. So last spelling, locating. Locating means sthala. L-O-C-A-T-I-N-G. Locating. Locating means what? Sthala. So once again repeating, latitude, akshansha. Longitude, rekhansha. Shape, akara. Bulks, ಒಬ್ಬುಗಳು. Slightly, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Flattened, ಚಪ್ಪಟೆಯಾದ. Pole, ಧ್ರುವ. Diameter, ವ್ಯಾಸ. Circumference, ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. Equatorial, ಸಮಭಾಜಕ. Rotate, ಸುತ್ತುವುದು. North, ಉತ್ತರ ದಿಕ್ಕು. South, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ದಿಕ್ಕು. Representation, ಪ್ರಾತಿನಿಧ್ಯ. Locating, ಸ್ಥಳ. Okay, students, today's topic, some difficult spellings are completed today. But each and every spelling you should be right 5 times. Okay? So see here, once again I repeating only spellings here. Latitude, longitude, shape, bulks, slightly, flattened, pole, diameter, circumference, equatorial, rotate, north, south, representation and locating. So you should be right, neat handwriting, neat you write in your geography book. So when you are finishing your homework, you send it my WhatsApp number. So next class, I am continuing in next period. Thank you.